Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of lawn mower maintenance with a product that promises durability and performance. I'm excited to introduce you to the Koemier Lawn Mower Spindle Assembly, a game-changer in the world of lawn care. This isn't just any spindle assembly. It's hailed as one of the best on the market for several reasons. Let's unpack what makes it special. First off, durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, this spindle assembly is built to last. It's designed to fit a range of models, including AYP, Husqvarna, and Ariens, ensuring compatibility with various lawn mower decks. Take a look at these dimensions. It measures 7 to 1 by 2 inches in length with a mounting hole distance of 5 to 5 by 8 inches. These specs ensure a precise fit, essential for optimal performance. Notice the blade mount. It features a unique 5-point star shape. This design enhances stability and ensures a secure fit for your mower blades, reducing vibrations and improving cutting efficiency. Inside the package, you'll find everything you need for installation, from the top nut and bottom bolt to washers, threaded tapped bolts, and a grease zerk. This comprehensive set simplifies the replacement process, even for DIY enthusiasts. Versatility is another standout feature. Whether you own a Craftsman, Ariens, or Husqvarna mower with a 46, 48, or 54-inch deck, this spindle assembly is designed to meet your needs. It's a versatile solution for a wide range of lawnmower models. Now, let's talk about performance. The Koemier spindle assembly ensures smooth operation, crucial for maintaining a pristine lawn. It reduces the risk of downtime due to mechanical issues, allowing you to focus on achieving that perfect mow every time. Like any product, it's essential to consider potential drawbacks. Some users have noted minor issues with fitment on older models, so double-checking compatibility is crucial before purchase. In conclusion, the Koemier Lawn Mower Spindle Assembly stands out as an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their mower's efficiency and longevity. With its robust construction, broad compatibility, and positive customer feedback, it's clear why this product has earned its place as one of the best in its category. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unbiased product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.